Affording, please, I from Kam Jogi Biko. Camera, the level Unugagoro in terms of arranging for my wedding. My wedding is in 3 days. So I told them disappointment, I told them stories. I told them mad he woman, I told them mad he metosham. Biko, Kede Bunugado, camera.
Imo. Oye na amagi no bodaya. A man okabatra yesterday.
That's it. I'm a popular person.
And all because of that, ko umo krobia niile na village a. Mo ma bobia. Mandinna. Onye obula kwatu iji make sure na wedding na ga the best.
Good.
I'm telling you.
That's it. I like it.
You see?
I like it. Damn it.
Oh, you like it? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Good.
We swap my language. I don't mind what I chat.
You cannot because they got better panya. So there's no way you got water panya.
Okay.
Yeah. Another one is because Achram Kanjogi. Achram ma udimoto ono kwadoro. Ngeja aga church mana nwunyem. Makana cho homo nkanka mota udimoto m na hogasi na village aka mgbe mbatara on irritate him. I can't even think of nearing such a car over there in Panya. If udimoto mja aga go do na toilet ma aga anyon say na Panya it's a very big car, a very big, notorious, well beautified, expensive car. So I don't know the kind of car uno kwadoro for I and my wife because I try to remember any kind of car. You know my what? You know my capacity. You know you know how big I am.
Yes.
I'm a rich guy. So please, can I know it?
In a drink go for my wine the non obodo.
Say what?
Yeah. You can say me hemo affording pa nwu ibekwe. Your best friend again.
Oh.
Okay, can go say in Kabezuku. Local government chairman. The newly elected local government chairman.
The present one?
Yes.
Okay.
We are working 5 and 6. My best friend. All the one back on.
Okay.
So Okurem Kuibute the latest limousine for you. Then put the latest Venza Mami and Abba for your wife.
That's it.
Ultimately.
I like that. I like Crimea.
Yeah.
I like Crimea.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that Venza. Venza.
Yeah, Venza.
That's my latest car.
Are you serious?
What a coincidence.
Hey.
Let me tell you a story. You know in Paya, the latest Venza I just bought before I left Paya. 7 doors.
Chineke.
Yeah.
7
doors, 2 boots, 4 steering. The what is it called? The radiator? My radiator. Okay,
fridge nade.
No, the radiator from the engine.
Okay.
8 engines. Then 27 radiators inside one car. Then when you get into the car, I have fridges, I have toilet, I have a bedroom. Oh, shit.
Moto.
Oh, do you know me? Somebody who eats and dine with Panya president. Hey. What don't I have? Don't come here. I like Venza.
Yeah, yes.
But since I hope the car is the latest model.
Oh, yes.
The AC is working.
Very okay.
Because I wouldn't want to enter into
very
a local car.
Okay.
The driver is quite educated.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Good, I will manage it.
And don't use some baggy. Like you happen here all about say boche, my canopies, my tables. May such as the company bag and made the wedding. Forget that one for them. They will take care of it. You will not pay anybody kobo.
Please, I don't want to be too harsh on people, but help me tell the youth. Okay. If they are not ready to do this work, I want to hatch on Hebrew moche. Ni go to canopy. I want to hatch on him may henda ikuru. Because gawam come put a call. Let me go to internet and then send message to Davido and Two-Face of Paya. Two-Face Dibia of Paya. Davido of Paya. Even Chioma the chef. They should come and clean the whole environment.
No.
You know?
No.
Yes, because I wouldn't want anybody to insult me. I come and talk and man to be about Mariam. I told him come man paria. Obrona the driver haga ponyem adho educated. I can make a phone call. Mark Bopete Doche from Uganda. Yes! He was my ex-driver.
Pet, get him a film.
Yes! I sacked him last week. A few days before my return.
My brother poet.
You don't know me. You don't know me. Chino Achebe. You know Chino Achebe? Yes, Chino Achebe was my cleaner. Yes, he cleaned my shoes. Namdi Azikiwe of Panya was my gate security personality.
Wow.
Damn it! You know Chasangurum? Chasangurum is just my gardener.
Can I make film?
Woo! Of Panya. Chasangurum was my gardener. Victor Swago. All these people are my boys who burned down. I marched them and passed it. What I say?
I'm wrong now.
What I say? Zubi Michael, I'm telling you, Zubi Michael was my security. Thank you, was my arm. Odumeje himself, Odumeje of Onitsha in Panya. Odumeje is my dancer. I sing, he dance. Woohoo! You don't know the level of this boy you have here. Rita Doche was my maid. My maid, I look at her, you know, just mention, but I feel.
Because my head about the youth, our village youth, because him job boy.
Yeah.
It watch and do one habia matching a Kenya, I again with a kaigiri. Him one affording by the imaginative play.
Don't worry.
So him chucky made him now, forget about those people. Our youth in Kemwo they will do everything.
Oh, good.
I got everything. Forget about that.
Tell them after the wedding, if there's no food for them, I take them to Panya kitchen. I assume them just marry her visa. Visa, just piam. Visa, everybody. They go to Panya and eat.
But before that, please, don't forget me. I'm doing all these things based on Uncle Ikurem. Na iga ko magapanya atala ma hu no boda kam ga no panya na kam kwandi ne kam na ha meko na ihe na
half dem pa forget it. You are already with the president. I am like a panya president. I no me ba na control panya. Here all I'm na eku hot sign no ya aga he me na panya. I'm a panyatic citizen.
Panyatic citizen. Ima mo number 1 among them. Imo tell them chewrege. So because you get rakwa ham tie number 1. Kam panya. Immediately after this marriage wedding. Actually me so aga panya.
You don't have a problem. Your name is already in the list. And I'm call am may arrange doctors and they make a surgery before you enter, because I forgot I gave me a surgery. We don't want touch potty belly in Panya, because here now this kind of belly in Panya is potty. Say it.
Potty.
Good. That's it. So we have to surgeryalize your stomach. I wish you share him so that when you come in the presidential abdomen, then game was in here now presidential surgicality. God, the Lord of good. Amade Sabi had done them. Some marriage bell ringing. Hey. Artist. Attention. Artist. Attention. Artist. Yes. We are the latest couple in town. Yes. We are the latest couple in town. Yes. We are making you the dead man standing on our wedding. Yes. Yes. You are going to stand. Attention. You stand like this. Everything here. Everything maya. Inwa. Everything tapo. Here. Everything inwa. Everything ide. Everything here. Yes. We have so many dignitaries. Yes. That will come to our wedding. Yes. We just finished inviting Ezendiara to our wedding. Zubi Michael. Ezendiara. He is the chairman of the occasion. Yes. Of our nautical club. Yes. Another special guest of dishonor. He is Therefor. He is going to be there. Therefor is going to be there. Therefor is going to be there. Hey. Then Flavor Nabalea. Oh, Flavor Nabalea. Oh, Flavor Nabalea. Oh, Flavor Nabalia. I see number here. I'm an Irame for Polap. That is his song. He's going to be there. He will be our musical artist, flower boy of the day.
Hey, our Indiana is
Diamond Okechi. Then the mother of the day is Ebero Karo. Ngozi Ezonu is a mother of the day.
Both of you should get out from this place. Huh? Njala, mad people. Get out from this place. Hey. I don't entertain mad people in my shop. Yeah, get out from here. Njala. Get out from here. Foolish people. Get out from here.
Kpọbata mọsọ bịara n'ụlọ gị. Kpọbata ọ bịara nga gị. Kpọbata mọsọ bịara n'ụlọ gị. N'abata ya, anyị bịara enye gị akwụkwọ. Take it. Take it. If you don't come to our wedding, you be a dead man. You be a dead man. You be a dead man. Unto the Lord is the glory. Glory to the Lord. Unto the Lord is the glory. Glory to the Lord. Unto the Lord. Hey. Anyway, abatagom wuna abatagom. Ifem jikwen lotawo because Obruna Panya president. Oh shit. Obruna nwoke akwụrụ m ụgwọ jim. If you see the money, the amount of money I lent out, election. If you had paid me my money, I can maybe call this cock and bull story. Eh? Just give me a little time. Okay, my money will land. Oh, bata.
Imo.
Uncle.
Inepu. I'm on your law. I'm on your ishi. I'm on your and I'm not I'm address again. My bank is Loima. Yamna Wagawo. I'm a 2 shall survive Gana Panya. Iloteba answering here now, so on the non easy, in the Namagi. O come money cover and go to Haka, Manaka, you and Yanagaka. Eh?